Hello, my name is Mark Boice Scared Shiftless, SoCal, California, and welcome to Rides and Wrecks. We're getting ready to send this car out to get some components for our stereo system and everything. We actually built this whole trunk area. It's enclosed, it's got a lid, it's got the battery in the side. I want to show you how cool this is. So all of our panels are made out of steel because they're a lot thinner and they're a lot more forgiving when you go to upholster this. We'll put some foam padding around these pieces and then we'll cover them up with some nice leather or vinyl. We have our lid right here. We're going to put our amps and all of our accessories, our crossovers and everything back in here. And then the door comes down and it leaves this whole thing open. We're going to put a subwoofer rack. We're going to backlight this thing. It's going to look pretty trick. Our battery is on the inside of here and the panels are easily removable. There's our battery. We're ready to hook this up. I want to thank you for watching Rides and Wrecks, and remember to subscribe to our channel for some really cool tips, tricks, and other, just like this trunk compartment where we're going to incorporate our amplifiers, crossovers, and sub for some really blah 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 blah. Really cool tips and tricks, blah 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 blah.